In this video I'll be talking about Drumstick Alliums. Proper name is Allium sphaerocephalon. They are also known as Drumstick Allium, ornamental onion, round-headed garlic and round-headed leek. I first came across these when my next door neighbour accused me of planting these in her garden. I didn't, it wasn't me, I had nothing to do with it. She pointed them out growing in her flower beds and thought they were chives. I was curious and asked if I could pull some up and take them away, and she said yes. Thinking they were chives, I ate some of the green stem and it did taste just like chive and onion, so it was perfectly edible to me. Please note, please be careful with what you eat from your garden. Not all alliums are edible and some may be poisonous to some people. I planted them here in my planter containing one of my fig trees. Over the course of last summer, these grew into half a dozen magnificent purple-headed flowers. Having looked them up, I found these were Drumstick Alliums. Drumstick Alliums are highly regarded and have been given the award of Garden Merit by the Royal Horticultural Society. When the heads dried up and were ready to fall in the autumn, I crushed the heads and dropped the seed in the base of the planter in hopes to see some more this year. I had no expectation of just how well these would do. Last month, just after the freezing cold period, I was able to get out into the garden, and the first thing I noticed was all this new green growth at the base of the planter. Whilst we know that just because it's winter doesn't mean plants completely stop growing, this was a real surprise. These allium seeds had taken and produced loads of bulbs, most growing just under the surface in clusters, but there are a few also growing on the top, which we can see here. So now I'm going to extract these ones that didn't quite get under cover and pot these up indoors, and these will be a little extra bonus in addition to all these fabulous clumps that have started in the planter. Looking at these little bulbs, they possess a really strong and long root. Very impressive for a seed start only a few weeks old. This suggests to me that Drumstick Alliums are extremely easy to get going and are also very fast growing. It'll be interesting to see how these progress in an indoor environment over the next few weeks. Having potted these up now and watered them, I'll leave them on my sunny windowsill and see how they progress. I'll be making a further video on these Drumstick Alliums later in the summer when they are in full bloom. Thanks for watching and see you next time.